Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by backing up everything to Google Drive or to your computer right now. Make sure photos, messages, and contacts are copied before you change any settings. Charge the phone to at least 50% so it will not shut down during the process. Confirm your My Account email and the primary device password that unlocks the phone. Write passwords down or use a password manager for quick entry. This preparation prevents data loss and avoids getting locked out after removing the fingerprint. Open Settings, then tap Passwords and Security, then Fingerprint Unlock to manage fingerprints. Authenticate with your current password, PIN, or pattern when prompted to access fingerprint settings. Tap each saved fingerprint and choose Delete to remove biometric records from the device. After deleting, toggle off the fingerprint unlock option to prevent requisition. If you need a new method, choose Screen Lock. Then set a PIN or password immediately to keep the phone secure. Reboot the phone to confirm the change took full effect. If you cannot authenticate, use recovery mode to perform a factory reset on the device. Power off the phone, then hold Power plus volume up until the MIUI recovery menu appears on screen. Navigate to Wipe Data, choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset, and confirm to erase user data and settings. Remember, this will delete local files, so only use it if backup is available or necessary. After the reset, sign in with your My Account or Google credentials to complete activation and restore backed up data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.